This is the Ticsea, Ticsea, Ticsea is the name of the company. This one was shipped out of California. I'm not sure where they're located. But this thing is pretty amazing. I've been looking at the commercial grade ones, like come on the higher end mowers, and they were looking $500–600 range. Mine actually came with the cheap setup when I got it, with a little sideways orange knob where it's just a couple springs, and that was pretty terrible. So I had to get something better. My seat already had the sliders, but they offer a kit with the sliders. And this thing is pretty amazing. You really can't push it down by hand much, but I can kind of show you now with me sitting on it. And it does a heck of a job. Way better than what I had on there. And the installation was actually really easy. Top plate bolts on, so you get to get everything situated. Only thing is, it is pretty heavy, so you want to ease that up. I used to just slap that thing forward, but with the extra weight, I like to ease it forward now. I don't want to put the undue stress on my pivot bar or anything. But my seat was a little different because I had that other suspension piece on it, so it had a dip in the middle, so I had to drill a couple holes, but that was nothing to it. And I also have mine spaced up in the front because I like to sit back a little further, but it comes with an assortment of spacers and things. And I'll be honest with you, I was almost convinced to spend $500–600 on one of the nice ones, just because I'm getting older, my back's giving out. But this thing has solved my problem. I can't imagine the $500–600 seats being much better than this at all. I mean, it's pretty amazing. Doesn't have the fancy gauge, just has a knob. But comes with an extra knob, you know, in case you need one. But they also have a kit with the sliders. This one's the one without the sliders. But they have an Amazon store, but I got this one straight off a website just because it was cheaper. But if you search Ticsea, it should come up. And like I said, it's on Amazon, but I got it at least $20–30 cheaper by getting it straight from their website, and I got it in less than a week. And installation was, I have no complaints. So if you're like me and you've been looking for one, didn't want to spend $500–600 on one, I highly recommend this one right here. All right, have a great day.